going to immediately find where you put your lights, your master switch. This is the bathroom. And you have a really beautiful, hello, bathroom. Your shower right here. They provide shower gel. And then you have your toilet. You have space here for all your things. You have your towels. You have space under here if you wanted to, which is great. Then they give you towels. And you also have hooks up here for your towels. Then you come in, you have obviously a really nice thing there. You have a mirror, and then you have a bed. Great room here, lots of space, hangers. You can drop that down for your suitcase. You have a safe, and you have lights on either side of the bed. You can put all your luggage underneath there because that is empty. And then you have all of this space here. This can pull out into a bed. And then you have your TV. You have a refrigerator. You have 3 deep drawers. You have a hair dryer. Here's my favorite part. Beautiful backlit mirror. And then our balcony. And look who's over there. Oh, we have a beautiful sail away room and a beautiful balcony. And that's it for $92.80.